How to fix for your account security logging into Facebook from an embedded browser disabled. Firstly, you have to install the Facebook app in your Android by the Play Store, then open the Facebook app in your Android. Make sure you are using the latest version of the Facebook app. Now you have to open the Facebook. Now you have to click on the three lines on the top right corner. Now click on the settings. Now scroll down. Before scrolling, make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully and avoid forgetting anything and making the mistakes. Now scroll down and now you have to click on media. Now there is no option of fixing. So go back and now you have to click on activity log. Now go back, there is also no option. Now you have to click on your privacy checkup. Now you have to click on your ad preferences. Now click on this. Now click on next. Now click on next. Now click on next. Now close it. All set. So by clicking this you can fix your problem. So that was all. I hope that you have found value in this video. Also please consider your support by commenting, liking, sharing, subscribe to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thank you so much.